The Little Gardener. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam loved to play outdoors, especially in the garden. One sunny day, his grandmother gave him a few seeds and said, "Plant these and take care of them, and you will grow something beautiful." Sam was excited. He carefully planted the seeds in the soft soil, then watered them every day. He watched over his little garden, even singing to the seeds, hoping they would grow faster. But days passed and nothing sprouted. Sam started to feel sad and thought about giving up. His grandmother noticed and said, "Remember, Sam, good things take time. Patience is key." So, Sam continued to water his plants daily, even if he couldn't see any changes. One morning, he saw tiny green shoots pushing through the soil. Sam was thrilled. As days went by, the plants grew taller with leaves and eventually bright, colorful flowers. Sam learned that patience and care can bring beautiful results. From that day on, he tended to his garden with even more love and dedication, knowing that everything good takes time to bloom. Moral of the story: with patience and care, wonderful things can grow.